All right, guys, we're almost done with a full installation. This project was a little bit different. We had to run everything. We had to do everything from scratch, including your return line, your supply line. As you can see, we have our supply line here going straight to the unit. We have a return line here that goes up, and then it's gonna feed this room as well. Very nice, beautiful line set ran from the indoor to the outdoor, and calculating about 30, 45 feet. Doing the last finishing touches with the wire. We have your unit here. Your air handler right here. Spraying pan with a condensate pump, heat trap. The full install, right in the customer best experience. And we just gotta finish the supply lines to each room. If you have any questions, give me a call, 571-351-7391.
Ok, entonces está bien entonces con los dos hielos, los 3 hielos.